right, so let's look at this probability density function. I want to determine the probability that x is less than 2. Here's what the graph of this PDF looks like. And since we're trying to find the probability that x is less than 2, we have to look at the region that's above this part of the graph from -2 to 2. And that's because there's nothing over here to the left of -2, and which is below our graph. So we have to look at this shaded region. We need to find its area. Well, the base is 4. The height is given by f of 2, which is 1/8. And so the area, and therefore the probability, is 1/2 times 4 times 1/8, which is 1/4. Now let's try and determine the probability that x is greater than 2. Or in other words, look at this area. So we could calculate the area directly. However, it's better to use things that we already know. It's better to look at the probability of x greater than 2 as 1 minus the probability of x is less than or equal to 2. But wait, you say, we don't know what the probability of x less than or equal to 2 is. But we do, because the probability that x is less than or equal to 2 is the same as the probability of x less than 2, and that's because we are dealing with a continuous random variable. I will refer you to question A. So, since we already know from part A of this question what the probability that x is less than 2 is, we plug that in to get 1 minus 1/4 is equal to 3/4.